Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Soul. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, compressor, intercooled turbo and cruise control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.